name's Lily.
And I'm Ollie.
This year we'll be looking at a kid's perspective on the 50th anniversary of the Finke Desert Race.
Did you know the Finke Desert Race is the biggest desert race in Australia?
223 kilometres from Alice Springs to Finke.
And 223 kilometres from Finke to Alice Springs.
This year we'll be out and about interviewing some riders.
And filming cool stuff that we think's cool.
See you there!
Off the first stop.
Two Wheels Bakery, one of the best bakeries. And my name's Ollie.
We're at Yakka. It's a ghost town. Nobody's here.
Day 2. See you at Finke. We're at Lake Cart now. This is my dad in our camper van. My sister's with us as well. There's the lake, pretty cool. Here he is, my dad. G'day Dad, how are you?
Good mate, how are you?
Good.
This is where we stayed last night.
Yeah,
Pretty good little campsite.
yeah. There's Lily in the back. You can just see her.
And where are we heading to today?
We're heading to Cooper Pedy.
That's right, about 325 clicks.
And we are at One Pond Station on Stewart Highway.
John McDowell Stewart made 6 expeditions, all of them in and around South Australia and the Northern Territory, and half of these expeditions were undertaken from the purpose of carving a pathway from south of the continent to the north.
There's a huge road train coming up. Pretty big. They must be taking it to the station in Woomera to load onto the train to take it to Adelaide. That was huge.
Hi, my name's Lily.
And my name's Ollie.
We finally made it to Cooper Pedy. Hi guys, we're in Cooper Pedy. When the first families came to Cooper Pedy, there was no trees for the kids to climb on. So I built this one so the little kids could climb on it.
Pretty cool.
What do we got coming up here?
The dog fence.
The dog fence. Just a small fence, eh?
Nah.
How-
Over 6,000 kilometres.
6,000 kilometres, that's longer than the Great Wall of China. What's that for?
It's for to keep the dingoes in the north and keep the sheep in the south.
Oh, whoa, look at it. Wonder if it's got a grid underneath the road. Here we go, this is the dog fence. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, big grid. I reckon that would be cool to sit underneath that grid and wait for a road train to go over the top of you.
Yeah.
Hi, my name's Lily.
And my name's Ollie.
We finally made it to the Northern Territory. We're almost at Alice Springs. See you at Street Party.
Bye.
I'm in South Australia.
Lily, Finke movie, look. Look at this beast though, rough cross. The 481. Right. Smell it. smells like all the chocolates.
And my name's Ollie.
This year we're at the 50th anniversary of the Think Desert Race.
We'll be interviewing some riders.
Come with us.
Hi, what's your name and your age?
Raymond Cole, and I'm 32.
What are you racing on this year?
Yamaha, why is it?
This is my third year, so I've done two.
What is your favourite part about Think?
I don't know, it's probably just the coolest race in the world. It's in the middle of the desert of Australia. It's pretty cool.
What is something that people...
The build up to it, the whole 6 months of prep that me and my family do, come over and do trips from WA, so just I know family bonding that we do and get over here and train.
How would you sum up Think in 3 words?
I'll give you one word, amazing.
Yeah. Can you sum up Think in 3 words?
Fast, crazy, but also fun.
Thank you and good luck.
Hey, champion, thank you.
What's your favourite part about Think?
Oh, the atmosphere, people, trackside and camping and everyone having fun.
How would you sum up Think in 3 words?
In 3 words, Christmas in June.
What's something people don't know about?
Yeah, give it a crack. What was your name? Lily? Go for it, Lily. Oh, she's got these down.
Navigator that's able to read.
We were on that earlier.
Read it at a slow streetcar pace, and then be able to note. I think that makes a big difference now, and it's put a bit more pressure.
Dad, buggies on that side, motorbikes on that side. We've just interviewed some riders. We did pretty good, but that's it for now. See you soon.
Oh, Brody! Brody! Where's Ray?
Seriously. Levi. Okay, move. Yeah, Walter!
I just making them. I put 3 cups of flour in there. Time to do them soft.
Everyone's on the way over from Fink. A little bit busy here at Eldunda. Have a look.
Oh, you did it up here. I found it here.
So look at it. Oh yeah, bro, that's opal. Well
Yeah,
done.
let me see. Look what I found.
That's how you find opal in Keepiti at sunset. Look at the colours.